Have you heard the term social media marketing? Do you come across advertisements on social media and want to know how you can do them too? What are the kinds of content that can or cannot be posted online? What is the future of social media marketing? Hello everyone, this is Devayan and welcome to another video of MBA Talks. In this video, I'll be answering all your queries related to social media marketing. I'll be talking about social media marketing, how you can do it, the future of social media marketing and few related terms. So let's jump right into the video. Social media marketing is using social media networks to reach out to people, promote your products and services, build your brand, bring people to your website and increase sales. Social media marketing is the cheapest way to connect, advertise and share information with your customers and target market. It helps in creating awareness about your new product launches, promotional offers and services, etc. With social media marketing, you can build a community of loyal fans who would consume your content, engage with you, provide feedback and help you improve your reach, improve your products, etc. All you need to do for social media marketing is have a page on your social media platforms and create continuous, relevant and engaging content. Have an easy share button that will help you and your brand grow organically. Buffer, a content planning and execution platform, mentions that there are 5 key pillars of social media marketing. They are strategy, planning and publishing, listening and engagement, analytics and reporting, and advertisements. Coming to the first one, strategy. You need to strategize on end goal. Have an end goal in mind, like it can be increasing awareness, it can be increasing reach, it can be selling your products by bringing customers to your landing page. It can be many other things, but have an end goal in mind. The second thing is which social media channel to use. Like if you are a B2B company, LinkedIn should be the place where you promote your products. LinkedIn should be the place where you reach people who are your potential customers. You can reach businesses, you can reach companies. Another example, if your product is something like food products or fashion products, Instagram is the place you need to be. You need to understand the algorithm behind every page. You need to understand the algorithm behind LinkedIn, behind Instagram, behind Pinterest, so that you can know which post will work best in which platform, the kind of audience they interact, the kind of engagement that is needed. These things will help you in your strategy phase. And the third thing, you need to focus on what kind of post you need to do, whether it will be images, whether it will be posts, videos, polls, etc. You can also strategize on whether you need to have an educational content, you need to have an informational content or entertaining content, depending on the platform you are in and depending on the business you are. Second point, planning and publishing. You need to plan everything, every detail about your post. You need to plan whether it is going to be a text-based post, whether it is going to be a video, an image, an infographic, a poll or audio-based post. After you have planned, you need to create the post and schedule it on your social media platforms that you are using. You can also have a content planning worksheet and you can fill whatever ideas you get so that you can always have something to share. You can always be consistently posting on social media platform, because consistency is another key in social media marketing. Coming to the third point, listening and engagement. After you have posted, you need to see what people are commenting, what kind of people are liking it, what kind of people are sharing it, what kind of engagement you are getting through your social media post. That will help you understand what kind of people your posts are getting most liked with, what kind of people are engaging with your post, what kind of impressions they are having. So this will help you understand whether you are achieving the targets of your social media marketing or not. Every social media platform has an analytics section for the business pages. These analytics give you an idea of the kind of people your post interacted with, the kind of people engaged with your post, their geographical location, their demographics, age, their job, profession, every detail that you require about them. It also tells you the time spent on consuming each of your content. If it is a 5 minutes blog, it will tell you whether people have on average spent 5 minutes or not. This way you can know what kind of content are working, what kind of content are fully consumed, what kind of content people are just skipping through, so that you can come up with better content planning mechanism so as to have 100% engagement, 100% retention the next time. You need to work upon these learnings so that you can in future better your post, better your reach, everything. The fifth stage, advertising. After you have done the previous 4 stages, you can then go for the paid promotion to increase your reach, to increase your audience. To reach out to a wider audience, you need to promote your content. The kinds of content that you can promote may be promotional content, to post for awareness, information, engaging, etc. The post about your product information to increase awareness, increase knowledge, increase interest. The third thing you can do is increase sales by bringing in customers to your website. Remember, whenever you do a paid promotion, have the same end goal in mind that you had during the strategy phase. If it was to increase your number of reach, increase the number of likes and engagement, you need to see whether it is being fulfilled by paid promotion or not. Whether it was to bring more sales, more traffic to your website, you need to keep checking on whether it is being achieved or not. So all in all, you need to have a clear return on investment in mind before you do any kind of paid promotion. If you want to know whether social media marketing has a future or not, what has been the growth of social media like, stay with me as I reveal to you in my latest sections. The types of content for social media marketing. Your content can be an audio content and video content and image, anything. But the nature of each content, the intention behind each content has to be either of the 3 things. It can be relevant, topical, something people have been talking in the recent times. You can take advantage of a meme, a fad, anything. Or your content could be engaging in nature, whether it can be a question where people, you ask questions people something and then they reply in comments, or this fill your form, fill a survey, show them interest. So you can create engagement through your post, educational information. You can either create awareness about your product, you can either inform them that this product has launched, this service is launched. You can either create an awareness about your sector that you are in. You can either increase the knowledge of your customers on how to use your products, how to use your related products, what are the products that will be a subsidiary of your products, etc. According to Sprout Social, the growth of social media marketing is going to expand to 4.4 million people by 2025. Currently, the value is at 3.6 billion people. The top 5 social media platforms currently are Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. According to the same report, 57% of the people follow a particular brand to learn more about the product. 47% of them are there to stay updated with the company news. The word of mouth in social media marketing from active followers is enormous. A whopping 80% of them are more likely to purchase from the product shown in the social media marketing, and they are going to talk about it to their peer groups, to their reference groups. So social media marketing is a marketing that is not to be missed. I have linked the report on my descriptions. For more information, do check out and read the entire report so that you know that social media marketing is going to grow. From the data shared in the previous section, you can be assured that social media marketing is here to stay. It has shown positive growth since last year, since the past few years, and it is going to grow in the next years as well. So social media marketing is not dead, it is growing and it is thriving. More and more people are coming to social media, they are consuming content, which leaves a plethora of options for us to advertise, to engage, and to increase our reach as businesses. The challenges in coming up with social media marketing plan could be the content. As people consume more and more content on the social media, they are exposed to a noise of content of similar type. In that case, they tend to get picky about what content they need to choose. If you want your voice to be heard in the noise, you need to do something different, something catchy, something that will hold their attention as well as provide the value they need. You need to answer their questions in such a way that their needs are satiated, their problems are solved, while your brand awareness is increased. The second problem you may face is the changing algorithm. we are at the mercy of social media pages we are in, and their algorithm keeps changing so that they can provide better engagement, better analytics to their customers, their users. In such a scenario, we as social media marketers need to constantly update ourselves with the changing algorithm. We need to know what kind of activity increases our reach, makes us more visible, whether it is commenting on someone's post, whether it is direct messages, whether it is in an image that is being shown to more people through the algorithm, whether it is video that is being pushed by the social media platform. Whatever it is, we need to be always alert with the changing algorithm. We need to keep a tap on them, and we need to encash on the exact kind of content the social media platform is giving a push right now. Some things to look forward in the social media marketing. First thing, creator economy. I'll be making another video on creator economy soon. Creator economy is the economy that is run by creators, the content creators, the social media influencers, the video makers, the podcast makers, everyone. Because social media is run by these creators, every platform in future is going to give a huge boost to the creators. The creator economy is going to rise. So you need to keep an eye on these creators who will in future or in present will help you in achieving your social marketing goals. Chatbots, predictors, and robotic scriptwriters have already made a space in creators economy. Some are still in the research phase, while some have already actively adopted these artificial intelligence in their process of their content creation. In future, these artificial intelligence will become prominent, take a larger chunk in the creator economy, in helping people coming up with content, in suggesting them blog topics, in suggesting them video topics, in suggesting them trending topics, and helping them in coming up with a script as well. The third thing to look out for in the future is the use of augmented reality or mixed reality. Brands have been using augmented reality since past few years and will continue investing and using them more and more in the future. Augmented reality helps you in production, helps you in maintenance, also helps you in marketing. It enhances your user experience, it gamifies your product so that the users can experience your products, can learn about your products through virtual reality games, through projections, etc. So in this video, we talked about social media marketing, the kind of posts you need to do, the 5 pillars of them, some facts and figures regarding social media marketing and the future of social media marketing. If you want to know any of the things that I discussed in detail, let me know that in the comments. If you want to know anything else about digital marketing or business in general, do let me know that too. I'm always looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my videos, like and share with your friends, businessmen, small businesses, everyone you think will be benefited from this video. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, keep marketing.